To schedule focus assist in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap System, and then select Focus Assist. On Automatic Rules, tap during this times, and then you must turn on during this time first. Tap switch until on. Just when you want focus assist to turn on, and then on start time, select start time you want. Simple. And then tap check to uh, enter on, and then select end time. Enter end time you want. Very simple. On repeat, you can select daily, weekends, or weekday. And focus level, you can select alarms only or priority only. You can also show or hide notification in Action Center when focus assist is turned on automatically. Tap back button to save. No, focus assist will be turned on in time you was set. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.